P1 and P2 thermostat leads on electric motor? Do you have used them to make the motor work?
Hi and welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXX I will be assisting you today. I have over 30 years of electrical and electronic training and repair experience. I will try and answer your question accurately and precisely. How do you plan to control the motor?
480 volts 3-phase.
Sorry, my fault for not being clearer. I mean, how do you plan to turn it on and off, and control the speed? Steve.
State and stop button on control box. I am just replacing an old motor that has no P1 or P2 leads, and control box is like 30 feet away from motor, and this motor is not new.
Put a meter across P1 and P2, measuring ohms. Is it open or closed?
Closed. It is closed.
Okay, so ideally, what you need to do is wire P1 and P2 into your control circuit so that if it becomes open by the action of the thermostat inside the motor, it will shut down the motor. Like this, http://screencast.com/t/a0dbzrbxolma. Leaving them capped off will not prevent you from running the motor, but you will have no thermal protection. If this is not an issue for you, cap them off and ignore them. My advice would be to include the thermal switch in your circuit. I'll be here if you need further help. Please do not hesitate to ask. I'll respond as quick as I can. I want you to be completely satisfied with my service today. Regards, Steve.
Would it be the same as the old motor was no P1 and P2?
How many leads come from your new motor? How many leads came from your old motor? Is everything exactly the same except for the P1 and P2? If so, just hook the motor up as before. Steve.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.